In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a minimum order quantity rule in Shopify. Whether you're a small business owner or managing a larger store, enforcing a minimum order quantity can be a valuable tool. It can help ensure that your sales are profitable, especially on lower margin products. You have two main options for achieving this: using a third-party app or manually modifying your theme code on your Shopify store. Let's explore both these methods, starting with apps. Using a third-party app is the most straightforward approach. Apps like Order Limits, Min, Maxify provide a user-friendly interface to establish minimum purchase requirements based on various product criteria, including quantity. This method doesn't require any coding knowledge, making it ideal for those who prefer a quick, hassle-free setup. Simply head over to the Shopify App Store, search for an app that fits your needs, and follow the setup instructions provided by the app developer. Now, for those who prefer a more customized approach or want to avoid additional monthly app fees, you can manually modify your theme code. This method involves editing the cart page to validate the cart's item quantity before checkout, ensuring it meets your set minimum quantity requirement. Before diving into the code, it's crucial to ensure that all your hard work and data are safe. So, start by duplicating your theme. Navigate to Online Store, click on Themes in your Shopify admin, and then duplicate your current theme. This creates a backup that you can revert to if anything goes wrong during the modification process. Once you've duplicated your theme, it's time to dive into the code. Under your active theme, click on Actions and then select Edit Code. This will take you to the back end of your theme where all the files are stored. You'll need to locate the file responsible for the cart page. Depending on your theme, this could be named Cart, Liquid, or Cart Template. Liquid. If you're unsure, use the search function to quickly find the cart file. With the cart file open, the next step is to add the validation code. This code checks if the total quantity of items in the cart meets the minimum requirement. If the minimum order quantity isn't met, an error message will appear, preventing the customer from proceeding to checkout. This message is your opportunity to communicate clearly with your customers. Customize it to inform them about the minimum order quantity requirement in a friendly manner. It's important to note that modifying your theme's code requires some coding knowledge. If you're not comfortable with coding, it's better to stick with using a Shopify app to set your minimum order quantity. It's always a good idea to ensure that your changes are working as intended, so be sure to test multiple scenarios to cover all your bases before going live. By following these instructions, you can effectively enforce a minimum order quantity, giving you more control over your sales and helping you achieve your business goals.